Hello, friends, and happy Friday. I hope this week has been great to you and that you've been able to get outside and enjoy the nice, warm summer weather. As my friend Jen said on Wednesday, if we would have been in the classroom, we would have gotten to make ice cream this week. So I thought I'd read you a story about ice cream. The story is called The Little Ice Cream Truck by Marjorie Collier. Illustrated by Bob Kohler. The Little Ice Cream Truck. The Little Ice Cream Truck. I'm a little ice cream truck. My driver's name is Lou. Ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling. We're headed to the zoo. I'm a little ice cream truck. Lou plays a jingly tune. Pop goes the weasel. I see a red balloon. Do you see the red balloon? I'm a little ice cream truck. Lou drives me to the park. Boys and girls come running. The dogs begin to bark. Do you see the dogs? I'm a little ice cream truck. The kids start lining up, smiling, leaping, and shouting, vanilla in a cup. Look at all those kids lining up to get ice cream. It would be so yummy. I'm a little ice cream truck with signs on front and rear. Caution, children crossing. Look both ways. Stay clear. Do you see the safety signs on the back of the ice cream truck? There they are. I'm a little ice cream truck. Rose gets a berry crunch. Bob buys lemon ice. Jose, a cookie munch. Look at all the friends getting all the different ice cream. I'm a little ice cream truck. We have so many treats. Milkshakes, cones, and bomb pops. Fudgesicles, ices, and sweets. There we go. I'm a little ice cream truck. I'm rented for events, celebrations, birthdays, big parties under tents. Look at that little ice cream truck. He does all kinds of work in the community and brings smiles to lots of people. I'm a little ice cream truck. We're off to Lilac Lane. Happy birthday, Tony. Let's hope it doesn't rain. There he goes. All the way to the birthday party. I'm a little ice cream truck, The guests are having fun, licking, laughing, singing. Tony's turning 1. Look at the little guy getting his first ice cream cone. I'm a little ice cream truck. We watch a baseball game. The players take a break, excited that we came. Look at all the ball players. They're going to get a cool treat from the ice cream truck. I'm a little ice cream truck. It's just another day. I'm making the children happy. I love my job. Hooray! The end. I hope you friends have a great weekend and maybe you can find an ice cream shop where you can get some ice cream, or you can make your own because Jen posted the recipe to make your very own vanilla ice cream on her Wednesday post. We'll see you soon.